everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. Today's meditation is designed to help you feel just a little better and uplift your mood, especially if you're having a tough time at the moment. And so just taking a moment right now just to acknowledge how you actually feel and not trying to run away from the negativity, but just observing it and noticing how it makes you feel and how it affects your body and your energy. And just taking a moment now to notice your thoughts, how your thoughts are going down a negative spiral, and continue to just affect your emotions, and your emotions affect your thoughts, and your thoughts affect your emotions. So just noticing this negative cycle. Now, oftentimes we get into these cycles because of something that happened that we feel that we have no control over. And so I just want to remind you that you do have the power to shift, and that happiness is an inside job, no matter what happens on the outside. And so today, let's shift. Let's uplift. Let's take our power back. Let's create the reality that we truly desire, regardless of what is happening on the outside. And so I want you to find this emotion that is causing suffering in your body, and I want you to visualize it. Where is it in your body? What does it look like? Give it a shape and a color. Your body will tell you where this energy lives. Just ask. And as you connect to it, just take a moment to understand it. Just take a moment to just be with it and observe it. Bring all of your focus and attention towards it. And as you do this, I want you to ask yourself, what do I gain by holding on to this? What do I gain by holding on to this? What do I expect from the outside to help me shift this energy or to release it. What can I do for myself right here, right now, to help myself heal and uplift my energy, my heart, and my mind? Is there something that I need to let go of? Or is there something that I need to accept that I'm not accepting? If this involves another person or people, how can I just not give them any power or any value at this moment? We cannot control the outside by trying to change the outside. So knowing this, let's take a moment to heal from the inside. And so I want you to take a moment to validate these emotions that you are feeling and understand that they are valid. Just tell yourself you have every right to feel this way. It's okay that you feel this way. But it's time to let it go because this is no longer serving us. And so let's call forth your spiritual team to assist us in healing this energetic pattern or trauma that is living in this part of your body. And I want you to visualize a beautiful emerald green beam of light shine down and connect with that part of your body where this energy lives. Feel that beautiful green beam of light gently enter your body and connect with that energy. This beam is unconditional love and support from your spiritual team. And so it's gently shifting the frequency by showering you with love. And I want you now to tell yourself exactly what it is that you need to hear. For instance, if the pain that you're suffering is caused by someone else, can you picture them telling you everything that you need to hear? That they love you, that they're sorry, that you matter, that you're right. Just visualize this relationship or this situation being resolved in your mind. And as you do this, feel how that energy begins to relax and open up, gently inviting in that green energy. And it gently merges, soothing and releasing that dark energy that has been living in your body. And gently it begins to shift that dark energy into green, allowing that unconditional love to take its place. And keep seeing whatever it is that has caused you pain to continue healing and resolving itself. Whatever it is that you wish that would happen in your life, make it happen inside of you. And just feeling yourself letting go, surrendering, accepting. And just continue allowing and inviting that peace to expand, to grow. Enjoy every moment as if all of this heaviness is gently being shedded off, away. Allowing you to feel lighter and more open and receptive. You can finally breathe. You are worthy of love, of happiness, of joy, and of peace. And finally, that green light has completely taken over that part of your body, creating absolute love and peace there. And gently and slowly that green beam fades away as the healing is now complete. And just take a moment now to notice how much better you feel from when you started. And it's time now to come back. So slowly, slowly bringing your awareness back into the space, back into your body. Take your time. When it feels right, come back and open your eyes.